So bring out the song in me, crescendos past tragedies, and while
Grace and peace, joy chasers. It's Dr. Naima Johnston-Bush from The Refreshing Life with Naima, coming to you with day 1 of the Great Song Challenge. I have made a commitment to write 4 songs a week for the next 4 weeks, and hopefully that'll keep me somewhat occupied, as if these kids and this dog and everything else that's going on in my life has not kept me occupied, like I have time to even do it. Originally, I had wanted to do 30 songs. I think I have to sneeze. Excuse me. 30 songs in 30 days. And, yeah, that's just not happening. It's just not happening with these kids. I don't have any time. I have to wait until I can put them down to write. And how long they sleep is always... Anyhow, today I did get a chance to write. I was looking at the front of my planner, and it said, "It's your year to shine." And I thought to myself, well, that's funny. Ain't nobody going nowhere. Nothing happening. And then I thought to myself, I need to get started on my song challenge. So what I'm doing is I'm taking requests. So if you have a word or a phrase that you would like to hear me write a song about, leave that in the comments below, and I will try to get to it. Some of them a little whacked out. My pastor already put in his request he wants to hear a song about virus. It has to have the word virus in it, but I already got an idea, so hoo-hoo for him. And a couple of other things have come up. And so if you have a word or a phrase that you think I should write a song about, leave that in the comments below. I don't play well enough to keep up with the demand, so it would take me a while to figure out all the chords and then to try to play it. So I'm just going to sing each song a cappella on video after it's written, and post it up for people to hear. And so, like I said, my planner said it's your year to shine, and I thought, not shining anywhere. I'm barely, keeping on my hair, like, nobody ever sees my hair because I always got on like a wig. Somebody said to me, I didn't think you had any hair. And I was like, oh yeah, I got hair. But and it's doing something real odd. I'm not sure. It's gotten really straight. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up. Does hair texture change? Can somebody tell me that? Because my hair was curly, not tight curly, and not super loose curly, but it was curly, and now it's like just kind of, this is what it looks like. I washed it, and that's what it looks like. I don't know. Anyhow, so I wrote this song called Shine, and one of the things that I have always said about being a songwriter is that sometimes you write, and I hate to say trash, because anything you write about the Lord is not trash, but sometimes you write songs that are just not good songs. And you're never going to sing them anywhere. And sometimes you write songs that are decent songs, but they'll never be recorded because they're not the best of what you've written. They're just okay songs. And I wrote this song, and it was real singable because my 1-year-old, he's 1.5, I was trying to sing it. So it had a catchy little hook, but I didn't really feel like after I wrote it, like, yes. But it was good to write because I can't remember the last time that I had written anything. And if you're a songwriter, you should try to write every day. Especially if you have a thought that there are things that God wants you to do with your songwriting that you haven't accomplished yet. And so it's real short. It's called Shine. And it goes something like this. Shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine on me. on me, shine on me, shine. Shine on me, shine on me, shine. Rise up with healing in your wings. Rise up, warrior and king. Rise up, let the earth tremble and groan. Speak life as you stand up from your throne. Nothing is greater than your name. You shelter hearts and heal my pain. You win battles I can't see. When you choose to shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me, shine. 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 It's good to write. Let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestions on how to make it better. I am always open to constructive criticism. And if you have a word or a phrase or an idiom is like a phrase that we all know, like it's raining cats and dogs, or I don't know, it's raining cats and dogs, or I'm trying to think of another one. What's another one that we say all the time? A penny for your thoughts. If you can think of a good one, leave it in the comments, and maybe I'll write a song about that. So tune in, and I will be back with song number 2. I'm going to start posting these probably towards the end of April, when I have a couple done, so that you can listen to what's happening. So that's it for today, and I can't wait to hear your thoughts. And once again, if this has encouraged you, if you're a songwriter, leave your comments. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button, the share button. God bless you all. Peace. Deuces. Stay safe. I'm praying for you.